Every AI guru is lying to you. Make $500 a day with zero effort. Build an AI book business on Amazon and get rich. It sounds like magic, so I spent 7 days testing the easiest AI side hustle. I didn't make thousands. In fact, what happened almost made me quit AI entirely. Here is the brutal truth. The plan was simple. Use ChatGPT to write a children's story, Midjourney to generate illustration, and upload it to Amazon KDP. In 10 minutes, ChatGPT gave me a cute story. I felt like a genius. I opened Midjourney. I needed the same character on every page. But AI kept changing his face, his hair, his clothes. Page 1, a blonde boy. Page 2, a brunette. It was a complete mess. This is what the gurus never show you. I almost gave up. But then I stopped copying the gurus. I used a smart prompting trick called consistent character parameters in Midjourney. I spent 6 hours fixing the image. AI wasn't magic anymore. It was hard work. The book was finally ready. I formatted the pages, created a cover, and uploaded it to Amazon KDP. Now we wait. Day 7 and the system. I opened my sales dashboard. Did I make $5,000? No, I made exactly $14. But here is the real lesson most people miss. AI can help you make a few dollars, but AI won't build your wealth for you. What you build with it will. I didn't get rich in 7 days, but I built a system, and a system is how you build true wealth. Don't ask how AI can make you money. Ask what you can build with AI that keeps creating value. Next week, I am testing the next big AI side hustle to see if it's actually worth your time. Subscribe so you don't waste yours.